8 days from now, voters in Missouri will decide on abortion rights. When the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, it triggered a near-total abortion ban. Now you're getting a chance to vote on it. 5 on Your Side's Mercedes McKay has more on what you should know before Election Day.
It's an amendment that had a tough time even getting on the ballot, all coming down to a 4-3 vote in the Missouri Supreme Court.
Missourians overwhelmingly want politicians out of their personal lives, out of their doctor's offices.
Amendment 3 would legalize abortion access in Missouri until the point of fetal viability, which is about 24 weeks.
Missouri needs to be very careful, and voters need to be very careful before they consider themselves part of a trend.
It's a trend that Mary Catherine Martin with the Thomas More Society believes Missourians don't have a full grasp on. That's why she's encouraging voters to read through the whole text. Martin was the author of a lawsuit pushing to get Amendment 3 off the ballot.
Most people think it's about abortion, but it's actually, we are all getting a new right to all matters relating to reproductive health care, which is a much greater category, much broader set of things.
That broader scope includes things like contraception and IVF. Republican nominee for governor Mike Kehoe opposes Amendment 3. He says the law goes way too far and is too extreme.
There's a lot of problems in this wording of the ballot where it doesn't provide protections, appropriate protections to women, especially in the case of liability if there's a medical emergency.
But his challenger, Democratic nominee Crystal Quade, joined the record with Mark Maxwell, pleading to voters a yes vote is vital.
We had over 800 doctors sign on to Amendment 3 saying that they absolutely need this to provide health care to the people in the state of Missouri.
Quade adding how the current law has no exceptions for rape or incest.
What we have right now in the state of Missouri is the most drastic ban in the entire country.
That was Mercedes McKay reporting. Now, even if Amendment 3 passes, lawmakers will still be able to regulate anything outside of the Roe standard. You can read the full ballot question right now. It's in our voter guide. You'll find that at ksdk.com. And you'll want to stick with 5 on Your Side on election night. We'll have live analysis and results on 5 Plus from 6 to 11 p.m. Text PLUS to 314-425-5355 for a link to download the app.